Notes. The negative of may is may not. We do not say mayn't. The negative of might is usually might not. Mightn't is possible but is not used very often. Use. To talk about possibility in the future. They may leave soon. They might leave soon. It is possible that they will leave soon but I'm not sure. To talk about possibility in the present when used with verbs that are not activities. He may be at the office. He might be at the office. It is possible that he is at the office now but I'm not sure. To make polite requests. May I sit here? May we come in? We do not generally use might to make polite requests. Not might I sit here? Notes. We can use may I, or may we, for polite requests but we do not use may when we ask someone to do something. Not may you open the door please? We do not generally use may or might in the question form. We only use the question form in polite requests with may I, or may we? We sometimes ask the question with do you think? Do you think they might be here soon? Not might they be here soon? Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, both. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, both. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, both. Complete the sentence. Right answer is C, both. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, both. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, may.